that Kamal R. Khan loves to get into a controversy with ease, and he manages this with equal style. In fact, he's famous for the oh so nasty comments and blatant blurts everywhere he goes. Recently, his tweets have been from bad to worse, attacking almost everyone, including Salman Khan's hero, Saif's Phantom, the recent Indrani Mukherjee case, and also almost everything related to Bollywood and news bites. Not only has he challenged Salman's mentoring the two kids in his upcoming Hero, but also Saif's capability and the possible intentions of the recently arrested Indrani Mukherjee in the murder case of Sheena Bora. So what is it all about? Why is Kamal R. Khan so hung up about everything, and what is it that he really is a wet blanket always? Well, publicity की बात है भाई. Some gain it and some like KRK flaunt it जबरदस्ती on the viewers. So we have a new Shatranj ki khiladi in Bollywood. Yes, it is our own Dabangg Bhaijan. Well, now you would ask why, ain't it? Okay, let us take you back to the trailer launch of Jazba a couple of days back. So what does our Pandey do? He just launches the first logo release of his upcoming Diwali release, Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. So what? Obviously, media shifted gears to Salman towards the evening when the logo was launched and ash faded in the background. The point is, did Salman do it purposely? Or was he totally unaware of the Jazba launch? Whatever it is, we would say all is fair in love and war, hai na? Ultimately, Salu had the last laugh and left poor Ash smiling, what say? We are loving the Dabangg Bhaijan's Jazba, do you? Salman Khan is in the news always for something or the other. Recently, we saw him singing a song for the movie, and we really are impressed with the way he's lending his time for the movie. His proteges Suraj Pancholi and Athya Shetty, children of Aditya Pancholi and Sunil Shetty, are getting ready with the upcoming Hero. However, Salu stick to his no-kiss policy, which has been his code since the time he started working in films. Word has it that Salman now has chopped off scenes from his upcoming Hero, a remake of the earlier Jackie Shroff blockbuster. Yes, there were scenes which had the co-stars brushing their lips closely in a song sequence. So Salman apparently does not want to have a kiss of love in his movies. Well, we don't mind it from Salman since he's presently the Bajrangi Bhaijan of Bollywood, hai na? It was a fiery Tuesday with Aishwarya Rai Bachchan's Jazba trailer launch and Salman Khan sharing on Twitter his next film Prem Ratan Dhan Payo's logo. Aishwarya attended her film Jazba trailer launch event with her co-star Irfan and director and filmmaker Sanjay Gupta enjoying the limelight. Jazba's trailer got an amazing response, and it seems Aishwarya Rai Bachchan's ex too wished to enjoy the limelight. Yes, Salman Khan took to Twitter the very same day to share his most anticipated movie Prem Ratan Dhan Payo's logo. He started with the promotion of his next film itself, like Aishwarya, who went to promote her film Jazba with Irfan at Dance India Dance on ZTV. Is this a coincidence or is it a plan? For fans, it's like a double treat. Whoa, it seems to be an age of leaks. Didn't we hear the movie Manji got leaked online? Well, now the next one is in line. Salman Khan's much-awaited Sultan just had its climax leaked, and our Khufia Jasoos is quite excited about it. Said to be a takkar for Aamir's Dangal, which also is about a wrestler, Sultan has a kahani mein twist in the climax with Salu fighting his own son. So are we gonna see an old Bhaijan ultimately? Wait for the surprise and watch for yourself. Presently, we are giving you the tidbits, but the way it is gonna shape out, the movie sure is a shaker, alright. With Salman losing weight and gaining weight, the entire thing has become a mystery for all, hai na? As for Salman, he's only upping the anxiety quotient for Aamir by finishing a wrestling movie before Aamir has even begun one. Haven't we been telling you about Salman Khan's Sultan since long? Well, after Bajrangi Bhaijaan, he had said he would complete Prem Ratan Dhan Payo and then get busy with Sultan. However, news about Sultan has been continuously petering in even before Bajrangi Bhaijaan is getting over the success. The upcoming Sallu flick to clash with Shah Rukh's Raees is all set, and it would be interesting to see the Dabangg Bhaijaan play the role of a wrestler just like Aamir in Dangal. This was in itself a great interest quotient. Now our Khufia says that Salman would be a father in Sultan. Whoa, isn't that really cool that the suave actor would be essaying the role of a dad? With news of a double role in Prem Ratan Dhan Payo and now this dad thingy, Sallu is sure on a roll with his viewers, है ना?